Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8K subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, Umkhokha The Curse. Now, umalume wants untombi high and low to an extent that he's busy telling usisi wakhe now ukuthi sisi, you must make peace noma mzobe, it's not healthy for umabusi, let that ukuthi akuna peace, hey the mates must swap, hey what hey when it's hayi mara wingene kabi uboy ngabe uthe let us visit abantu bakagumede so that sibabonise ukuthi sina bakamthembu siyabasupporta kulo mshado waka Nobuntu noNdlovu and stuff like so. And then in that regard he would be able to see umuntu lo amfunayo, but like the angle angene ngayo I was like nah yeah bad. But ke uzamxolo uza mafu u girl uno mabusi nomkhosi, they are planning a weekend away for Zamxolo's birthday. So now our girl uzamxolo mangena bayasuguma, girl uzamxolo mangena bayasuguma. Why abafuna ukujampisa, but bayajampisa already. Baplana a weekend away nje girl ufuna ukumarinate umuntu wakhe. Girl wants to enjoy a weekend away with her husband on her husband's birthday, and they are planning to go on Friday. So nje this coming Friday they are going on a vacation / birthday what hayi ke uzamxolo ayebuza umama wakhe ukuthi phela abafazi laba ba-actor strange, is there anything that I did to unomafu eyenza ukuthi angayenza kaso? Athi umama wakhe hayi maybe bakhuluma indaba zabantwana in athi but I'm the baby daddy so shouldn't I know? Hayi umama wakhe ayedlale so ezibe, but angisho yena she knows the truth ukuthi kahle kahle what's happening. Yeah, so nje I don't know ukuthi the call from the other church, is it a surprise to take him to the vacation or what? But yeah, kehanjwa Friday. All right, sikhuluma ngama couples. Nobuntu vele guys uyidlisile team Nobuntu. Yeah, uyidlisile waya kuMenga. Ngiyazi ukuthi siyamthanda noMenga, but the approach or how they started it was wrong. I don't really trust Umenga, guys. I don't really trust Umenga to do the right thing. And we know ukuthi according to Umkhokha The Curse and the storyline that the right thing is marriage, right? The way the church operates, the right thing is marriage. Leyo mujolo makhwelana is not on, right? All right. Ugabisile 20 skhiya uMenga usekamereni kuyisiphithiphithi kutshela umamzobe hey, but in the end ugabisile ended up protecting uNobuntu and uMenga ended up leaving, right? But umamzobe nophakathi they were just happy ukuthi bazoba nezukulu, uNobuntu is just going to be happy and safe, and you could see ukuthi they were both relieved to an extent that they had a conversation that was so nice, that was so polite without even fighting. Why? Because they're happy ukuthi their daughter has taken the right decision. Hayi kantabazi udaughter ahlangane noMenga, uMenga amtshela ukuthi hey wena ufuna ukuba wife number 177 umuhle kanje in you need to choose me, hey you cannot be married to an old man when chebe, hey this and that. Hayi ugirl athi I choose uMenga. I was not happy with the choice ayenzile, but akhethe uMenga, and not ukuthi amkhethe iphelele lapho, ahlalisa umamzobe phansi athi girl ngikhuluma nawe njengomama wami manje, hayi njengomamzobe. So please understand me and understand where I'm coming from. I don't want this man anymore. I want to be in a relationship noMenga. This is not the man of my heart. So whatever nje yenu eNdlovu ngizamile, but my feelings wam azangavume noma ngithi ngiyawafoster, ngithi ngiyawafoster, but I could not foster any more than this. So I'm not marrying uNdlovu. Yo umamzobe lihlo la hayi lihlo laka sas I don't know, but uphakathi wayo must know. I pray that it's this week. Uphakathi wayo must know.